Today, we are unboxing the IMR-R1 hybrid ceramic IEMs. These in-ear monitors use a 13mm driver and a ceramic driver to provide a huge soundstage and frequency response from 14 to 40,000 Hz. As well as the earphones themselves, inside the box we find a hard carry case, 2-pin detachable cables, a selection of ear tips, 5 interchangeable audio filters and a 6.5mm adapter, usage information, and information on the audio filters. The R1 incorporates a switchable open and close port on the rear of the in-ear monitor to allow you to change the staging and shut off the outside world when required. In addition, the R1 is supplied with 5 audio filters to allow you to tweak the tuning to your individual style. These audio filters allow you to alter bass levels, treble levels, and increase mid-range as required. And that was our unboxing of the IMR-R1 IEMs, available to order now from Advanced MP3 players.